No.
Who are the
He's black.
He is black. Who are the color kittens?
Purple.
Do you remember their names?
Yeah.
What are their names? What are their names?
Color piggy.
They do color. We should read that book.
Color. They
But-
do color.
Are their names Hush and somebody?
Yeah, hush and hush. And hush somebody.
Hush and somebody. We'll have to look it up. Do you like cats?
Yeah.
Do you like dogs?
I like cats.
You like cats. Do you like dogs, or does Daddy like dogs?
Daddy likes dogs.
Do you? Do you like dogs?
No.
No. Do you like monkeys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like monkeys.
Me too. Do you like birds?
No.
No?
No, I like horses.
You like horses?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. Do you like goats?
No.
No? Oh, June, don't steal
I
it.
like monkeys, Cat.
You like monkeys? Up, up.